Alright, welcome back guys. Let's look at the formatting of a report and the basics of a report as well. We'll just go through some of the properties and what's in Solution Explorer. We'll go through the report data tab here as well. Alright, let's get started with the formatting. So we're in the preview screen here. So this is a tab for preview and this is a tab for design. So when now you create a report with wizard, it automatically comes into the preview mode. It will show you the report that you have created previously. You can click on the design view, so it comes up as a design report over there. So just click on that. So you're in the design mode, so you can change the stuff as you like. Here, this is the report panel, guys. So it's you can click on that. So that's the title. You can click on that one to get that highlighted, and you can make the modifications to that particular title. So you can center it if you want. So it's just like Microsoft Excel or Microsoft Word. Just like any other Microsoft Office product. If you have used Microsoft Office product, it's very easy to use this one. So all you do is basically select anything you want. So either click on left or right, or if some of the icons might be hidden, guys. So all you need to do is basically click on that small arrow button, and you'll be able to see all the formattings there. In this case, I'll be centering that, so I'll just basically click on that center, and that's centered automatically for you. So we'll just go to the preview. So look at that, it's centered already. The reason why it hasn't centered all the way through is basically our report size is that. So if you want to change the size of that, you can drag that a bit if you want. And you got to drag this one a bit as well. I'll show you the page sizes and all in another video, but for now I'll just drag that one just to show you that there is a flexibility over there to expand the things that you need to expand. If you go to the preview again, so that's basically centered to that particular screen. So I'll go back to the design here. We'll continue what we're doing with the formatting mainly. So that's the title. I centered that one, so you can click on that. You can bold it if you want. You can italize it. You can have italics on there, and you can put an underscore as well. By clicking few buttons, you can make it a very beautiful report. I'll untick that as italics and underscore for now. And if you want a color for the title, for the letters, you just click on that A button, so foreground color, and then you can change the color you want. Just make it as blue, and we'll go to the preview mode. There you go. It's very easy to use, and if you want to put some spaces in between, you can just click on there and then hit spacebar, and that will give you the spaces. Go to the preview. So okay, so this is the matrix or the table. So if you click on anywhere on the table or anywhere in that data region here, that will highlight the whole data region. If you want to change the title again, if you want to change the formatting of the title, so you can click on that particular title, that will select that particular title within the data range. So I can again go and hit center there, and again you can change that formatting as well. So you can increase the size of that. So I'll increase that one to the end there. That increases the table size as well. So that's aligned to that one there, and then if you click on next, basically you can see Canada and the other countries as well. Initially the original title here doesn't actually follow through to the other reports. That's the report title, and this particular one is for that particular data. So it's and you can click on next buttons to basically go to the next screens there. We'll go back to the design mode here. One thing I want to show you, another thing is basically going to the preview here. You can see that the title has come down to the second row. So basically it word wraps automatically for you, but if you want to make it nicer, because we've got lots of space there, you can click on design mode again, click on that particular data region, and again click on that one. Just one click, guys, on the left mouse button, and then you can basically see those things on the left and on the top. Basically, if you go onto the top here, you'll get that double arrow. When you get double arrow, you can click there, left click, and drag it a bit. So as long as you can see the total title, so that's a full title there. So I'll just stop it out there, and I'll increase the city. I'll increase the postcode column as well. Just click outside the data range, so that deselects it. Now I'll go to the preview to show you what we did. So now it's looking better. So it's basically in one line, one thin line, and you can see that the title has covered in one particular cell rather than word wrapping. Everything is exactly the same as we did before. So even just in case if there is a bigger text here, you can simply drag that one to make sure that it all fits in. Okay, so we'll go back to the design view. You can again exactly the same thing what we did before here. If you want to make this one italics, you can do italics here. Just click on that particular cell and click on italics here, and then that will make it italic. So you can see all these ones are made as italic now. Just not one particular cell, but as you got state and province name here, that basically makes italics all the way through. Okay, one thing I wanted to show you is the cell within the cell. Whenever you click on a particular cell, you basically get this small box there. When you click on that, you can basically change whatever you need to whatever you need. Basically, you can go and select another field here. So just in case if you change your mind, rather than having state or province name, you want to put state province code, just in case if you want to do that. So in this case, we'll just leave it as state province name. I'll just go back and change that. Go preview, so you can see everything normal there. Okay, so if you want to save this report, you can click on save button here, or you can go to file, save, and you can basically save that report as well. So save selected items, or save as. If you want to change the name, you can save it as something else, and you can do that. The save all button is basically you can save the multiple items. If you haven't saved anything previously, or if you got any if you got multiple reports there, that's where you can create the multiple reports. We'll get there in 1 minute. We can save the multiple items. If you want to export this particular report to Excel or any other format, so you can export it to MS Word, you can export it to MS Excel, you can send it to PDF, you can make it as CIF or CSV format. You can do that, and this option is available for the end users as well, guys. When they're using, normally we use Internet Explorer to view this report. So you can they can export the report as well to Excel or Word or PDF or whatever formats they are here. You can control this as well. We'll get there later. Let's click on that button, and that will basically save as a report wherever you want to save it. I'll just show you the report that I exported previously. So that's exactly the same report in Microsoft Excel. You can see that's all rendered exactly in the same format as Internet Explorer or the bits design mode. So I can click on that plus button there, the toggle, and you can see the data which is hidden underneath. this is the greatest point of Microsoft. It all renders, and because it's all Microsoft products, it all works out very fine. And Excel is used by everyone. Most of them use Excel for a lot of things, so people can basically export this data into the Excel, and they can basically copy and paste it, and they can work on a particular presentation or a report they want. Okay, let's go back into Bits. So that's that.